I just discovered an arbitrage opportunity right in this video, and I'll be telling you the name of this platform by the end of this video. So make sure you stick with me to the end of this video and follow every step of this video. And if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, make sure you hit that notification button if you find value right in this video. If you come to this website, you're going to see that this is an exchange platform, trusted and secure cryptocurrency exchange, and you can actually come here to exchange your cryptocurrencies and get to make profit for yourself. So if you come here, you notice that there's an arbitrage opportunity right in this platform right here. The current Bitcoin price on this platform is 28,397.76 dollars. That means that Bitcoin is very high on this platform compared to the Binance and all other exchange platforms. So what we're going to be doing here is that we are going to be going to this other platform where we'll buy it cheap and then we'll come here to exchange it and then make profit for ourselves. So you can do this repeatedly until you are tired of making money. So make sure you grab this opportunity before it goes off the market. So we're going to be doing this live, and if you come to Binance and come to market, you will notice that the price of Bitcoin is 26,300.24 dollars at the time of making this video. So what we're going to be doing here is that we are going to be buying crypto from here, and then we'll go back to this other platform and then sell it and then make our profit. So I'm going to be doing this live, so make sure you stick with me to the end of this video and then see what I'm going to show you right here. So I'm going to come to trade. I currently have 50.98 USDT right here. So I'm going to come here to trade, click on trade right here, and then come to convert. You can also do this if you don't want to convert. You can also do this by coming to spot right here and then selling your USDT to Litecoin. But I don't want to do that for easy purpose. Let's just come to convert right here because I have USDT. I'm just going to click on. I'm just going to click on from here, and then from what wallet do I want to transfer to? From what crypto? I'm just going to come here and then search for Theta USDT. So towards to Litecoin, I'm going to exchange this to Litecoin. That's LTC. So I'm just going to click on. Okay, I'm going to change the wallet to funding because the fund is in my funding wallet, and I'm just going to click on Max. All right, so I'm going to preview conversion right here, and then I'm going to convert. I'm going to convert very fast, and as you can see, I've actually converted this without wasting time. Let's now jump into the other platform and then convert this rig. So the name of this website is Bitranx, and as you can see right here, head over to bitranx.com. I'm going to leave you a link in the description of this video, so make sure you click on that link because when you use that link, I'm going to earn some little commission, and you also help me to grow, and this will also help me to make more better content that will benefit all of you out there. So what you're going to do is now come right here. I'm going to log in here. You can create an account using that link. All right, so create an account using that link. It is very simple and straightforward. So I don't want to create an account because I already have an account. So what I'm just going to do is now I'm logged in already. So what I'm going to do now is to come right here and then click on deposit right here. So when I click on deposit, it's going to take me to this point. It's going to tell you you are required to send an exact amount that will be displayed in the next page. Don't include transaction fee in this amount. If you send any other amount greater or less than the amount generated, payment system will ignore it. After deposit, users should log into their dashboard after 30 minutes to confirm their deposit. So this platform actually uses the automatic payment gateways. This means that it is safe and secure. Let's see this. I've tried this before, and that is why I'm making this video right here. So what I want to do now is to click on is to type $50. So I'm going to send that $50. The minimum deposit right here is $20. So if you have $20 and above, you'll be able to make good profit for yourself, and you can do this over and over without extra cost. So what I'm going to do here is to click on proceed right here. And when I click on proceed, it's going to take me to this platform where I'm now going to uh, complete the payment. As you can see, it's an automatic gateway and it's waiting for me to send my fund right here. So I'm just going to come here and then copy this address. So and then go back to Binance. So I'm currently on Binance right now, and what I want to do is now click on wallet right here and then click on withdraw. So as you can see, because we've already swapped to Litecoin, I already have $50 worth of Litecoin right here. So what I want to do now is to click on withdraw here. And when I click on withdraw, I'm going to paste that address right here. So I want to come to click on Litecoin right here and then click on send via crypto network. So I'm going to click on send via crypto network. Take note that you must not use only Binance for this. If you have Trust Wallet, MetaMask, or any other wallet, you can actually do the same thing. All right. So if you have Binance, there's an advantage to you because I'm using Binance. I'm using Binance right in this video. So what I want to do now is now paste that address here, and then it's going to detect it automatically that this is a Litecoin network. If it's not on Litecoin network, make sure you choose the Litecoin network right here, all right? And then put the amount you want to choose. But in my case, I'm going to use the maximum amount because I want a huge profit. Like I want to do this repeatedly, and then you can see the network fee is just 0.001 Litecoin, and then I'm just going to click on withdraw right here. And when I click on withdraw, it's going to prompt this page and I click on confirm. So when I confirm this, our payment is going to go straight to that platform and then wait for 30 minutes, just like we're instructed to do. Until you validate it. And then when you validate it, it's going to send like this. All right, so I've actually sent this and I'm going to go back to the platform right here. I'm going to go back to the platform. It's still waiting in the payment anyway. So don't worry. According to the prompt, when I was actually trying to make this payment, it said after 30 minutes, we can then go back to our dashboard to now see our dashboard. So I'm just going to click here. Click here if you have already sent the Litecoin. So I'm just going to click here and then we'll be redirected back to our dashboard. Automatic system is still trying to confirm it in the blockchain. So, but don't mind it. So what we want to do now is just go back to the website and then log in again. So I'm just going to log in again. After 30 minutes, you are going to notice that your phone will be credited automatically.
Right, so 30 minutes after initiating the payment, my fund was transferred automatically to the dashboard. And as you can see right on the dashboard here, I already have 54.14 USD on my balance right here. And this is Litecoin to this platform, and it's equivalent on USDT with their rate on this platform is 54.14 USDT. That means I've actually made $4.14 in this very transaction. This is profitable, and I believe anyone will be able to do this. And you can do this repeatedly and make income for yourself. So I'm going to quickly swap this from this wallet to my USDT wallet and also withdraw back to Binance. So all right, so what I want to do right now is to come to exchange right here, and I just come to exchange from Litecoin because I deposited Litecoin here, and as you can see at the top here, my balance is 0.0 point so I'm just going to copy this, just going to highlight this and then copy it, right? 0.779160 Litecoin. So I'm just going to paste that here and then exchange to USDT. So I'm going to select USDT. Sorry, I'm going to paste that here. And its equivalent is 54.13 now. So it's actually dropping. So I'm going to exchange this real quick. Exchange coin. Click on exchange coin right here. And as you can see, it has swapped successfully. And now if we come back to our dashboard, you're going to see that the money is no longer on our Litecoin right here, but it is now on our USDT balance. So from here now, I can now come to withdrawals, and then click on withdrawals, and then type the amount I want to withdraw. So the minimum withdrawal here is 20 USDT. So if you have below 20 USDT, and the minimum deposit is also 20 USD. That means you'll be able to withdraw. So what I'm going to do here is to type in that 54.12, or let me just say 54. So I'm going to leave the remaining balance here because I'm going to do this again So 54 USD and then click on withdraw. So I'm going to select the USD TRC 20 address and I'm going to go back to my Binance and then come to deposit crypto, come to crypto right here. You can search for USDT if you didn't see it by coming to this place and then search for USDT, Theta TRC 20. Make sure you scroll down, and then you can see Tron TRC 20. Click on it and then copy this right here. Make sure you copy that and then paste it right here. Paste it here and then click on withdraw. So guys, this is actually going to process our withdrawal and send our withdrawal without wasting time. It doesn't waste time. From my experience, if you want to deposit and you want it to be fast, make sure you deposit with Litecoin or Dogecoin because that is actually faster in the blockchain compared to Bitcoin. All right. So make sure you use any of these ones I mentioned to you because it processes faster and within 30 minutes you have it in your dashboard. I've actually withdrawn my fund. While we wait for the fund to arrive, it doesn't waste time, but while we wait for it to arrive, let me quickly show you this. So if you want to refer your friend, because on this platform, you can actually refer your friends and also get to make more money for yourself. So you're just going to click on referrals here. So when you click on referrals, you're going to see your referral link right here, and then you're just going to copy it and then share it with your friends, and you'll be able to make up to $3 per referral. So you can see how good this platform is. Please feel free to use that link in the description of this video and also sign up. And by this way, you motivate me, and this will also help me to create more content that will also help you to grow more online. With that being said, let me check back our transactions here to see if our payment has been processed. Okay, it's still processing, but let me just refresh this to see if it will be processed immediately. So I'm just going to refresh this. All right, so this has completed. It didn't take up to a minute and this has completed. So I'm just going to go back to my Binance to check if I actually received the fund. All right, so as you can see, guys, I just received the full amount right here, and if I go to my dashboard, you're going to see it right here that it has arrived, and all this didn't take up to 5 minutes. So I believe this is profitable, and you can do this over and over again, just like what I'm going to do now, and you'll be able to make profit for yourself. If this is your first time of coming to my channel, this is Earning GPT, and I give tips on how to make money online on crypto arbitrage and how to invest in the right cryptocurrencies and the rest. So be sure to hit that subscription button and also hit the bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever I post awesome content like this. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you next time.